What's up guys, I'm James. Welcome back to the Great Gambino Watch Reviews. Here we have a new Tissot that I just picked up over at Feldmar here in Los Angeles. You can see a standard clamshell style box, a little red strip there in the center. Opening it up, we have the gold PRX. This is the 39.9, I believe, millimeter, just under 40 millimeter. I wanted to go with this one because I tried on the 35 millimeter and I thought it was just a little bit too small. Not too small, it was, I guess, too small for my own personal liking, and I liked the brushed dial on this one. If you notice, the 35 millimeter has more of a sunburst. I just thought the brush dial was cool, and it gave it a little bit of an extra piece of finish to appreciate while you wear it. Pulling it out here, you can see it's on a pillow, and then underneath, I like the way the pillow does tuck in here, though. It's kind of cool if you notice. It tucks in and it keeps it very tight so it doesn't move around when the box is closed. But here we have the warranty card, and of course the user instructions manual, basic stuff that you'd always get. And yeah, this part here is made out of cardboard, but no big deal. It's still a really nice box with the writing on the back and the red interior. Put that out of the way. And here is the piece. Right away, you can see that there's a beautiful finish on this. Great brush job. You gotta love it. And one of my favorite things about this one is that band, the way the light flickers in between each link. It's really nice looking on the wrist. This one has been taken out already and the plastic's been removed, and Feldmar did size this for me, so it's not the first time that I'm seeing it. But I will say that when I did first see it, I immediately loved it. I thought it was a great piece, and I'm going to be doing a full review of this. This is just a quick unboxing. You can see there's a butterfly clasp in the back there. Not a fan of butterfly clasps, personally. They're just not my favorite. They're my least favorite way to close it up, although it does create a seamless look. I'll say this one also is not that uncomfortable once it's on, but I wasn't excited when I saw butterfly clasp over the internet. But there's that band. You can see beautiful light flicker on that. Well, let's go ahead and get it on the wrist quick, give you a shot. And there it is. In my opinion, I think it's a little bit, I'll be honest, big on the edges. This one will flare on the sides, but I think overall the look is really good. And I feel I would be definitely happier with this one versus the 35. Again, the 35 looks great too. If you want even more of a retro look, you want it to be more authentic to what the original one was, that size is available to you. And so there you have it, the gold PRX larger size Tissot watch. Not really sure when this one came out, but it just hit my radar maybe, I believe, around 6 months ago. Didn't take long for me to pick one up. Anyways, if you do want to see a full review of this piece, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and I will have that up for you probably in about a week to 2 weeks tops. Hope to see you then.